Stop paying 5 grand for a website that takes 6 months to launch. If this is the case, you don't have a marketing problem. You have a speed problem. I meet so many business owners who are consistently held hostage by creative agencies. You pay the deposit and then you wait. And while you're waiting for Don Draper to get the creative direction right, your competitors are stealing your leads with a new landing page every single day. The only reason why you're still paying a premium is because you think you need a designer to put it all together. You don't. Let me walk you through this. The old way is hiring the expert. The new way is cloning the expert. We're not guessing what works anymore. We're taking proven blueprints from the world's best marketers. This isn't about learning to code. It's about execution. From idea to live link in under 15 minutes. Now let me show you the workflow that fixes this. We start by going on YouTube and searching for best landing page. I'm going to filter only by this year to focus on relevance rather than rankings. And the next thing is we're going to use this Chrome extension, just called Notebook LM, and start to extract all of these relevant videos. I'm going to create a new notebook called Landing Page Districts. Wait for that to get added in. And now we get to work on picking the links. I'm going to add in, we'll say 20 to start. Add those to that notebook. Sweet. Now we get to work inside of Notebook, or rather Notebook LM, Google's free tool. I'll open up our new notebook called Landing Page and type in the prompt down here, what is the best recommended framework for a landing page? Great. So then the next step, and of course there's a lot more that you can ask Notebook in here. The next step though, is I'm going to copy its answer and open up Gemini, Google's LLM. And in here, I'm going to switch to my other profile. I'm actually just going to use a different tool called Whisper to narrate, so I don't have to type in, so you don't have to hear my keystrokes. I want to create a landing page on the topic, how to use Notebook LM to create landing pages. I'm going to give you a layout that I need you to create the copywriting for the landing page, but I need you to structure the copywriting so I can easily copy and paste into a web design tool. Great. Paste that in. The one thing I didn't mention is I have a gem or a custom GPT that is specific to my brand, my terminology, my tonality, my style guide, really. I call it the master. And so by pasting that in, it will write a landing page that supports this video that I'm showing you right now. Sweet. So it gave us a breakdown, including the SEO title, meta description, and even a URL slug. So then all we have to do is bring this into a web designer like Gamma. Headline, sexual, great. So I'm going to open up the last step. I'm going to open up Gamma. All right. I'm going to hit create new. We'll make it easy on ourselves and generate from a template. So using a landing page template that we've created before, and then we'll paste in what we have, including the page title, the meta description, hit generate. All right. So what this is doing is it's basically taking that text that Notebook L created from those best in class videos, coupled it with our brand and our style guide to create the copywriting for a landing page for us. And then taking that and dropping it into Gamma gives us a page that looks like this. So it's on brand, on theme, using our terms, and most importantly, using knowledge from the experts on what should the layout actually look like, how should it be formatted, and what must you include. Then all we have to do is change or iterate a few things on here to make it truly look up to our standards, and then hit publish, or rather add page to our site. And then lastly, all we're doing is going to grab that SEO title and meta description from before, and we're going to use those to make sure that this page is SEO compliant and gets us the traffic that it deserves. I just did 4 weeks of agency work in less than 4 minutes. It looks professional, it loads fast, and it cost me $0. This is how you move fast without breaking the bank. Comment stack, and I'll send you not just the link to the notebook that we created earlier, but links to each one of these tools that allows me to go from an idea to a live landing page in less than a few minutes.